and Japan is the country where there is large number of affected patients. Hey my dear, how are you? I am good, doctor. So, what's going on? What are the new updates about coronavirus? Yeah, the new updates till today, Thursday the 6th of February, 2020 are. Wait, I will show you a chart. In Spain, there is only one case till now. In Russia, there is only 2 registered cases. In Sweden, only 1 case of coronavirus. In UK, 2 cases are confirmed. Italy also have 2 patients of coronavirus. There is 3 cases in India. In Philippines, 3 cases are registered, while 1 patient dies due to coronavirus. Finland, 1 case of coronavirus, and he is recovered. A lucky one. UAE registered 5 cases of coronavirus. In Germany, 12 cases are registered. Sri Lanka registered 1 case, and he is recovered, another lucky patient. Cambodia, 1 case of coronavirus. Canada registered 5 coronavirus cases. In Malaysia, there is 14 cases of coronavirus, while 1 patient is recovered. In Australia, 15 patients are suffering from coronavirus, while 3 are recovered. Nepal, 1 case of coronavirus. France, 6 cases of coronavirus. Singapore, 28 cases and 1 get recovered. Vietnam, 10 cases and 3 are recovered. Hong Kong, 22 cases, and 1 patient is died due to coronavirus. Macau, 18 cases and 1 get recovered. Taiwan registered 13 cases, 1 get recovered. US, total 12 cases, 1 are recovered. Republic of Korea, 23 cases, 2 are recovered. In Japan, 45 people are affected and 1 are recovered. In Thailand, 25 cases are registered, while 9 are recovered. In Pakistan, there isn't any confirmed case of coronavirus, but few peoples are under investigation in isolated wards. So, till now, outside China, first patient was died in Philippines, and second was in Hong Kong. And Japan is the country where there is large number of affected patients. And Thailand is the country where large number of patients are recovered. Finland and Sri Lanka are the lucky ones who recovered their patients. And following are the countries who didn't recover any case of coronavirus. Spain, Russia, Sweden, UK, Italy, India, Philippines, UAE, Germany, Cambodia, Canada, Nepal, France, and Hong Kong. So you watch the chart and data. This is the situation right now, and the situation is still critical. More cases and deaths are suspected. Yes, now I know the updates. May Almighty save everyone from this deadly virus.